Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start, I want to introduce myself first. I'm Carmela Nuraini and I'm from English Education Department 5th semester. So guys, do you know what I want to do right now? Okay, now I'm going to talk about one of the most inspiring tribes in this world. It is Maori tribes of New Zealand. So, before I start, I want you to imagine one of a strong group, one of proud people standing together, who have chantings and stomping their feet in perfect rhythm.
Only representing ourselves, but we represent our ancestors.
Their faces are always painted with bold patterns, and their voice with the passion and strength. And I think you might recognize it. So it is the famous haka. Haka is the traditional war dance of the Maori people. So guys, who is Maori? Okay, Maori are the indigenous Polynesian people of New Zealand. So, Maori arrived from eastern Polynesia more than 100 years ago, around the 30th century. And today, they make up about 16% of New Zealand population. Even though the world has changed so much, the Maori people have managed to keep their traditions alive while embracing modern life. Okay guys, now let's talk about their culture and tradition.
But what truly sets New Zealand apart is its Maori culture. Deeply intertwined with the land and its people, the Maori share a profound connection to the ancient landscapes, a connection that transcends the tangible and touches the spiritual.
The Maori culture, or Te Ao Maori, is deeply spiritual and community-based. They speak their own language, Te Ao Maori, which has been officially recognized as one of New Zealand's national languages. Their traditional houses, called wernui, are beautifully carved meeting house that represented the body of an ancestor. It is a symbol of unity among the people. And one of the most famous traditions of the Maori is the haka. So, long ago, warriors performed it before going to battle to show their strength and unity. But today, the haka is performed on many occasions, at ceremonies, sport games, and cultural events, to express pride, respect, and togetherness. You may have seen it performed by the New Zealand rugby team, the All Blacks, before their matches. It's powerful, emotional, and of course, full of a meaning. The Maori are also well known of their art and tattoos, called tamoko. These tattoos are not just decoration, of course. They carry deep personal and family meanings. Each line and curve tells a story about the person's genealogy, achievement, and identity. In Maori belief, the head is the most sacred part of the body, which is why tamoko is often done on the face. So guys, you have to know another important of the Maori culture. And another important part of the Maori culture is their values and belief. They have a strong sense of wanaungatanga or kinship. It is meaning of family and relationship are central to life. And they also believe in mana. Mana is about spiritual power and respect. Every person, object, and place has mana that must be honored. Then there is tapu. Tapu is a concept to similar sacred. Sacred is certain object or place are tapu. The meaning of there is are to be treated with deep respect. And this belief creates a strong connection between the Maori and nature. They see the land, Wenewa, as a mother, the reef as an ancestor, and the sky as a guardian. This connection shapes how they treat the environment, not as a something to use, but something to care for. Okay guys, now I want you to move on to look at how the Maori live today. So, even though they live in the modern country, their identity remains so strong. Maori people are active in politics, education, arts, and sport. They always celebrate their heritage proudly during events like Watangi Day, which marks the sign of the Treaty of Watangi, an agreement between Maori chief and British Crown in 1840. Okay, in modern times, Maori culture has gone global, from music and film to fashion and sport. Their influence can be seen everywhere, anywhere, and movies like Well Rider and The Rise of Haka performance around the world. And can show how people everywhere admire Maori spirit, courage, pride, and unity. But guys, more than that, the Maori remind us of something important: the culture. The culture is not just about history, but its identity. It is pride, and it is something worth to protecting. So guys, to close my speech, I want to share to you about a Maori proverb that perfectly represents their wisdom. But actually, I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, but let me try. He aha te mea nui o te ao, he tangata, he tangata, he tangata. So, it means, what is the most important thing in the world? It is people. It is people, and it is people. From this, we can learn that humanity, connection, and respect are what truly matter. The Maori people teach us to live with pride, to stand together, and to never forget where we come from. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.